Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone because the Xbox 360 needs a reachable Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable your mobile hotspot and pick 4 GHz when possible, since the 360 radio prefers that band. Make sure you know your SSID and password, and check that tethering is allowed by your carrier to avoid unexpected blocks. Also, turn off battery saver modes and limit clients so the connection stays stable. Now move to the Xbox to select that hotspot from its network list. You now finish the core connection steps on the console. Go to System Settings, open Network Settings, and pick Wireless Network. Once the Xbox scans, select your phone's SSID and enter the password exactly because case matters. Then run the connection test so the console fetches IP and DNS automatically. If you plan to use Xbox Live, sign in and let any system updates install. If you also want remote control, install the Xbox app on the same phone and sign in to pair the devices. You finish by validating the link. Run the Xbox Live connection test and install system updates, because updates often resolve handshake issues. Make sure you watch mobile data use and perform a quick speed test to confirm latency is playable. Mobile hotspots can spike ping. If the console can't see the phone, reboot the phone and the Xbox, toggle hotspot off/on, and ensure the hotspot uses 4 GHz rather than 5 GHz. If problems persist, temporarily disable AP isolation on the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.